A little bit of good news tonight. The Southwest Power Pool announcing that they have lowered their energy emergency alert to level 1. But over on the ERCOT grid, those rolling outages were also put on pause late this afternoon. KLBK's Grace Morris has been following the development in both grids in our area. Now, have we seen the end of rolling outages?
Around the state, over 3 million people are still in the dark tonight, Terry. The South Plains Electric Cooperative saying that ERCOT may not be able to stop rolling outages until the storm is passed. While hope is on the horizon.
ERCOT released enough capacity back to us that we were able to restore service to every resident and farm and ranch member in the ERCOT area.
The outages may not be over yet.
I'll be cautiously optimistic that we've weathered the worst of it. But we've got another 24 hours to still be conscientious and be mindful and take care of our system.
Both our local grids, the Southwest Power Pool and Texas's ERCOT grid, facing unprecedented challenges during this storm. ERCOT has suspended rotating outages for now, but they remain at a level 3 energy emergency alert. The SPP decreasing their alert level to 1 this afternoon.
Really, at the bottom of this, at the end of the day, it's the extreme cold that is not normal for this. So we've had a real big spike in demand, which calls for a big spike in power generation, and we've been limited. So that's what caused the shortages.
Lynn Simmons at SPEC saying that limited supply was caused by widespread extreme temperatures, frozen fuel lines, and wind turbines.
Those were the three main contributing factors to this event.
And while outages might still happen, both ERCOT and SPP saw users answer the call to conserve.
I actually noticed it. We can see the curve, the daily curve flatten at some point because we know customers are turning their thermostat down and they're refraining from running their clothes dryer, things like that.
And they say in the end, that conservation made a huge difference.
We couldn't have got through this without the customers.
Both LP&L and SPEC still asking folks to continue to conserve as much power as possible in order to prevent any more outages. Reporting in South Lubbock, I'm Grace Morris, KLBK News.